Welcome to Dragon e-commerce. Here I am the CEO of Dragon e-commerce, and welcome to all of you, and hope all of you are doing great. Today we will discuss Amazon Seller Central, the brief introduction. When you will create your Amazon Seller Central account and when it will be ready for listing pods and it will be ready for selling, when you will log in your Amazon Seller Central account, you will see this page. This is called Amazon home page, and today we will discuss all tabs, all important tabs that we will discuss in detail in coming lectures. So let's proceed. When you will log in your Amazon Seller Central, you will see this page, and if you will go to this menu, you will see a lot of tabs here. First one is catalog. In catalog, you will see the tab of add pod. From here you can list your pods, add pods we upload. If you will have your Amazon professional account, as I have already told you that we have two types of Amazon Seller Central account. One is Amazon individual account and second one is Amazon professional account. And if you have Amazon professional account, then Amazon will give you this option, add pods we upload. It means that if you have 1000 pods, you can put data in a flat file or in Excel file, and you can just upload that file to list the pods, and 1000 pods will be listed in an hour. It's not a big issue. Complete your drafts. When you will list your pods and you are not finished yet, you will see your products in drafts view selling applications. From here you can extend your Amazon Seller Central account for different markets. For example, you have created your Amazon Seller account for USA market and you want to sell in UK too, you can apply from here. Improve listing quality. If you have already listed your product on Amazon Seller Central account, and Amazon will give you some suggestions to update your listing, you can improve your listing quality from here. Upload images. If you want to upload images for your listings in bulk quantity, you can upload images from here, and also you can upload images from your inventory tab. We will discuss all these tabs in coming lectures in detail, but for now we are just discussing for what these tabs are and how they works. Upload and manage videos. If you want to upload videos in your listing, you can upload from here, and manage product documents. If you have updated documents related to your part like certificates, trademarks, you can check from here. The second tab is inventory. From here you see manage all inventory. When you will click on manage all inventory, all of the products that you have listed for sale on Amazon for selling, you can check from here. Sell globally. If you want to sell your product in all markets globally, you can check from here. Fulfillment by Amazon. It means that those products who are listed as an FBA means that you have sent your inventory to Amazon warehouse. As we have discussed the difference between FBA and FBM. FBA means you send your all inventory to Amazon warehouse, and FBM means you keep inventory in your warehouse, and when someone will buy the product, you will ship it to your customer. FBA inventory. From here you can check all of your listings that are listed as an FBA. Inventory planning. From here you can plan your inventory. Shipments. From here you can manage your shipments. Means that when you will send your inventory to Amazon warehouse, you can check from here. Opportunities. You can just check updates of Amazon from here. Analytics. You can check from here the growth of your Amazon Seller Central account, and remote fulfillment by FBA you can check from here. Your store and distributes you can check from this tab. And the third one is pricing. From here you can check the pricing related details, the pricing of your pods. They are good, they are comparable with the competitors or not, you can check from here. Orders. If you are getting some orders, you can check the orders details from here, and also you can create MCF orders from here. We will discuss all these tabs in details. Advertising. If you want to advertise your Amazon product, you can advertise from here. From here you can create the A+ content manager, and from here you can enroll in a wine program. In wine program, let me discuss this part in detail. In wine program, you just offer your pods with the less prices or with zero prices to get reviews. This is the best option that Amazon is offering to his sellers. Deals. Here you can just sell your pods in deals, and here you can create coupons for your pod listings and prime exclusive discounts from here. You can Prime exclusive discounts and promotions. These are very simple tabs, so we can discuss now. In Prime exclusive discounts, for example, you are selling your product with the price of $100 and you want to put the promotion or exclusive discount of 15%. You can all these sets from these two tabs. Then there is a tab of stores. If you have the brand registry, then Amazon will give you the option to create store with your listed products. You can manage from here. In growth, you can check opportunities, and if you want to list your product as an customizable product, and if your product is customizable, then you can proceed with this option. You will click on this option and you will register in Amazon custom program. Then you will be able to list your product as an customizable products. From here you can check reports of your Amazon Seller Central, all reports. From here you can check your Amazon Seller Central account health, feedbacks, A to Z guarantee claims, chargeback claims, performance notifications. These are very simple tabs. You can just go through it. Definitely we will discuss all of these things in detail in coming lectures, so stay connected. Apps and services. If you want to connect your Amazon Seller Central with any of your website like Shopify or eBay, you can connect from here. And B2B, you can, if you want to sell your products as a wholesale or in bulk quantity, you can sell from B2B Central. And then brands, if you have a trademark of your brand name, and if you have registered your brand name, you can check your brand store or brand dashboards from this tab. If you want to learn anything about Amazon, you can just check the Seller University from here, or if you want to hear any update about Amazon or any news, coming news, you can just check from here. So these are very simple tabs. We discussed these tabs and we will discuss these tabs in detail in coming lectures. This was a brief introduction about the Amazon Seller Central homepage. So let's go to the setting tab now. This is the Amazon account setting tab, and you can check here. We have multiple options. Global accounts. From here you can check your global accounts if you are selling globally. Notification preferences, if you want to change your email or phone number, from here you can do it. Login setting, you can check. Return settings, gift options, shipping settings, you can make your templates, shipping templates from here. Text setting, user permission, if you want to hire someone as an Amazon virtual assistant and he can perform all the tasks, he will list your products, you can check just from here. And your info and policies, here you can update information about your Amazon Seller Central ID, which will be visible to your customers. Fulfillment by Amazon tab is also here. You can just check from here too. Okay, if you just wait a second. Global accounts. Here you can see your global accounts. I just want to go to the setting tab. Let me check if I can proceed from here to show you some more settings. Sorry, account info. Okay, when you will click on setting, you will see here the tab of account info. Just click on account info and then this page will appear in front of you. Here you will see the deposit method that you have added in your Amazon Seller Central account. Here you will see the charge method for advertising. You can just update it if you want, and definitely when you will create your Amazon Seller Central account, you will add all of these things. This is just to tell you that where from you can just check this information that you have already provided to Amazon Seller Central. This is for business address that you have added. From here you can just check the legal entity information of your, this is about office register address. If it is different from your residential address, you can just check from here or update from here anytime if you want. Merchant token ID, your Amazon Seller Central merchant token ID, you can check from here. Actually, the merchant token ID means it is a unique ID for every Amazon seller. You can just check the merchant token ID from here if you will need it. Keep in mind these all things, you can make notes. These all things are very informative, and you will need them in future when you will start selling on Amazon. You can check business insurance, or you can apply for business insurance for Amazon from here. You can manage your registered brands with Amazon from here. If you want to change the display name, this one you can change from here. Language for feed processing report you can get from here. A return address, where Amazon will return the product if someone do not like your product. You can just set this address. It could be your business address, it could be your residential address, or it could be any of your Amazon private warehouse address. Shipping setting, from here you can just set the shipping rates, and buy shipping preferences, if you want to buy the shipping preferences you can buy from here. International returns providers, you can just select from here. Here is your tax information, VAT information, and RFC ID here. If you want to close your account, you can just close your Amazon Seller Central account from here. If you want to downgrade your Amazon Seller Central account, yes, this is the very important thing. If you have Amazon Professional Seller Central, you can anytime downgrade to Amazon Individual Seller Central, and if you have Amazon Individual Seller Central, you can anytime update it to Amazon Professional Seller Central. Here also you can manage user permissions from here, and your seller profile, this name appear here. If you want to change this name, you can change anytime. It will take 72 hours to update, or to display the changes. Going on vacations, for now all of my listings are active, but if I would like to set my Amazon Seller Central on vacation mode, then I can set from here. Vacation mode mean if I do not like to sell my pods for a week, then I will just put my Amazon Seller Central account on vacation mode, and all of my listing will show that out of stock and the Seller Central is on vacation mode. From here you can check that on which market your Amazon Seller Central account is registered as professional, and registered as business, and fulfillment by Amazon is settled for which markets, and you can manage all of these things from here. So this was a very brief introduction about Amazon Seller Central homepage. I would like, and I will suggest you to watch this video 2 times at least, to remember these things. These are very important things that you will need to keep in mind as a new seller on Amazon. So thank you so much. If you like this video, and if you are getting my points, and if you are learning well, then do not forget to give your valuable review. Thank you so much.